Thank you for calling technical department. My name is Dave. How may I help you?
Hello, yes, I have this message on my computer. It's telling me to call this number.
What kind of the message you have on the computer? Can you
Yes,
read out for me?
yeah, it says just error, unknown system failure, and then it says you must contact us immediately so that our engineers can walk you through the removal process over the phone.
What exactly you was trying to do on the computer when you got that alert message?
I was just trying to go to my email.
Have you clicked on any unknown link or any kind of the advertisement if you remember at that time?
No, I haven't.
I will give you some instructions. You need to just follow that. Then I will go ahead and help you out to fix this, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Do one thing, look on the computer's keyboard on the left hand side down bottom. Do you see there is a window key?
Okay, yes, I see that.
Press it and hold it down with letter R like Romeo at the same time.
Alright. Alright, so now I see it says, like on the bottom left hand corner, there's something that popped up. It says run. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource.
hmm You see the open section in there?
Like,
Open bar where you can type something.
okay.
So the open section is blank or
Yes,
something is
it's
there
blank.
already in it.
Yeah, it's blank.
You need to type in there letter I like Indiana,
Alright,
and the word explore.
okay, I, and then explore.
Yeah, it should be all one word all together.
Alright, so I just did that.
Then leave a blank space.
Okay, and then a space.
Then type www dot
Alright, www dot.
help me help me. It's one word all together.
Alright, HELPME.
Then put a dot.
Alright, a dot.
Then type net.
Alright, NET.
N like Nancy, E like Edward, T like tomorrow. It's net.
Yes, I just did that.
Then give a forward slash.
Alright, a forward slash.
Then type the number 569
Okay, 569
263
263
156.
156.
Can you repeat each and everything for me what you typed there in?
Yes, so I have IEXPLORE and then a space
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
www.helpme.net and then a slash 569 263 156.
Right. Now just below that you see there is option says OK, cancel, browse.
Yes.
Click OK
Alright.
and then wait for a moment. You will receive the options on your computer screen. Let me know what do you see.
Alright, it just says,
Do you see any changes on the computer screen?
um, okay, yeah, I see right here, like, let me see, it's asking me set up Internet Explorer 11.
You see in there it says ask me later.
Yes. Do I click on that?
Click on it.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now it says, do you want to run or save, go to assist
Click
opener?
on run.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now I see it just says connecting to go to assist.
Just wait for a moment. You will receive the option says yes or no. You have to click on yes.
Alright,
Wait
yeah,
for the option,
yeah, I
please.
just see that. I just saw that. I just clicked on yes.
Click on yes.
Alright.
Then again wait for a moment. You will receive the options. Again it says yes or no. You have to click on yes.
Alright, I just clicked on yes again.
Now leave your mouse, sir. Sit back and be relaxed. Let me go ahead and check out the root cause of the problem. And may I know, like, this is the first time which you got this problem?
Yes, the first time.
Okay, you are using a Windows 10, right?
I believe so.
Okay. And is this a refurbished computer, sir?
Can you say that again? I couldn't quite hear you.
Look here, I'm typing for you, okay?
All right.
This is the first time which you got that alert message, or before ever you got these things as well?
This is the first time I've seen this message.
Is this a refurbished computer?
Oh, no, this is not. I bought this new about 3, I believe, years ago.
Okay. Because as I can see, there is some securities on the computer got stopped working,
All right.
and your IP address got compromised. Like somebody else is trying to use your IP address, that is your identity over the internet, and with the help of that, they are trying to grab your personal information. Just to protect you that kind of the illegal activities, you got this
Okay.
alert message so that we can go ahead and help you out to fix it, sir.
All right.
Got it?
Yes.
Right now, I just checked that there is some kind of the wrong things in the brain part of your computer. If you can see here, look here, I'm showing you. Give me a second, please. You
Okay.
can see in the detail in the task manager that says csrss.exe. As this is a Trojan file which is running on the computer, this is the most bad file. You can see as I try to remove it, but it is not allowing me to do that. See that?
Oh, yeah, I see that.
That means, sir, if you are going to do, you can see also there is some kind of the
Yeah.
advertisements
Yeah,
are
I saw
coming on
that.
your computer at the right hand side.
Yeah, I see
So
that.
this kind of the things, I am not saying that this is the bad advertisement, but most of the time, sir, you will get the advertisement, and in that it might be possible there is some bad kind of the advertisement. If you are going to click on the things, okay,
Yeah.
that bad things, you are going to redirect it to the different pages. Do you
Yeah,
go online to watch any pornographic websites, like any porn videos?
Oh, no, I never do that.
Do you you never do
No,
that?
I
That's
never.
good. So what kind of the that's good. What kind of the activities you do on your computer most of the time? Don't use the mouse, please.
Oh, okay.
You don't do anything. If you are going to click on anywhere else, any wrong thing, sir, that will be become more trouble for us to fix the problem. So
Okay.
that's why.
I just usually go to like sorry,
Please don't touch the mouse.
I just use this for like just like email some work, but like
hmm
yeah.
Just email
What
and you.
which email?
Mhm. And apart from this computer, do you have any another devices as well as, sir?
Yeah, yes, I have my phone and then I have an iPad if that's what you're asking about.
Please don't touch the mouse, sir. Please.
I'm not touching the mouse.
Okay. You can see I'm just checking what is the csrss.exe, and you
Okay.
can see here it says it is a Trojan and a known operating system process. If you can
Okay.
see, it says it is a hidden monitoring software that can track your personal information like credit card, social security ID, email address. And
Okay.
this information can be sent to this kind of the people who can damage your computer by sending this kind of the thing like spyware, malware, or they can use your personal information for doing some criminal activities or any kind of the fraud purchases over the internet.
Okay.
And they can use your personal email ID by, and if you are going to use your email, you're going to send it to any other computer or any other devices, that also going to be infected. That means whatever you are going to do over the internet, that all informations of yours going to first of all in the send going to in the hand of that people who got activated on your IP address, as well as the devices which you are going to use, that also going to be damaged at the same time.
Okay.
As this computer, you can see it is also got damaged, It's
Okay.
already got damaged almost. The services and the drivers of the computer got stopped working. If you can see here, there is the bunch of the services got stopped working. Can
Oh
you
yeah,
see
I
that?
see that. Okay.
There is few services are running, and due to that reason we are able to use it and check out the problem. But once these all are going to be off, we will also not able to help you out to fix it, sir. So
Okay.
first of all, what we need to do, sir, we need to repair the damages of the computer and restart the services, and we need to remove the infections from your IP address. That is
Okay.
the most important thing from where you are getting the problem. First of all, I would like to provide you some valuable information. Just look here. Do you see the current connection?
Okay.
There is 33 people. That means apart from you, there is 33 devices also got connected with your IP address who's using it. And with the help of that, they are trying to get your personal information. Like you can see the foreign addresses. These are the overseas people who got established. You can see the status of them. Established, established, established. So
Yeah,
these all
okay.
are the 33 people who got activated on your IP address. So we need to remove these people. So I need to first of all make a report of all the diagnostics so that we can help you out to fix the problem. And according to this report, I will also assign a senior technician who will give you some suggestions for your future beneficiary, like in future how you're gonna protect it with this kind of the infections.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
just give me a moment. First of all, what we need to do, sir, we need to do a registration for you. In order to do the registration and to generate a unique customer ID for you, that customer ID will help you in your future as well. Like if you are going to face any trouble, you need to just give us a call on our direct toll free number, and you need to provide your customer ID so that we are going to identify you with the help of your customer ID.
All right.
Just a moment. You can first of all write it down, this information, sir. These are the valuable informations for you. Just write it down. Grab a piece of paper or pen and write it down. Once you're done, let me know, okay?
All right. Hang on. All right. I just finished copying down like the four um the toll-free number, your name, extension number, and then employee ID. Hello?
Yes, sir,
Uh,
I'm here.
y-
You
uh,
done,
y-
sir?
yes. I just finished copying down your information.
Okay, just done, let me know, okay?
All right.
You done, sir?
Yes, I've finished.
You see, this is your number, right? Which you're talking right now.
Yes, 25. Yes, that's my
Now
number.
you can now you can put your full name, in which we you need the registration and the customer ID under the name. Just type that name
All right.
by your side
All right, and
and
then
put the email.
all right. Whoops. And then you want my address?
Your full address, sir.
All right.
Type from your side.
Whoops. All right.
Okay. Now, what we need to do, sir, as well as at the same time, we need to protect your all information and the devices like your cell phone, iPad, tablet, Kindle, whatever you have, even the printer. So there should be one-time fixation charge to fix this, sir. That is 399.99. So may I know what would be the mode of the payment for that?
Um,
Like it's Master Visa.
just one quick question. So this fee covers the. Do you need to fix all three of
You
my
will
devices?
receive all the legal documents at your email. Sorry, say it again, sir. I didn't get you. Please.
Yes. So this the $400 fee, does that include, like, do you need to fix all three of my devices that I have?
Definitely, that's what I'm telling you,
Oh,
sir.
okay. Okay.
All the devices, whatever you have at your home, even in future, if you are going to buy a new one, that will also not going to face any trouble.
All right.
So, may I know what would be the mode of the payment for that? Like it's Master or Visa?
Um, I can. I'm just thinking. I
You
can just
can
use my
use either
Visa.
any of them. Okay. You can go ahead and provide this information from your side, sir.
Okay. I
Just
need to.
type those information.
I'm going to go get the card. I'll be back. All right. Hello. I'm back. So
Take your
let's
time,
just go
sir.
ahead and
Please.
fill these three out.
Go ahead and type it from your side, sir.
All right. Whoops. Let me make sure I just typed the card number incorrectly.
Make all the numbers correct. Just do double check each and everything, sir. And take your time. Don't worry.
All right. Yes, that looks
All
fine.
are correct?
Yes, that looks fine.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, tomorrow you will be also getting a feedback call from our verification team. So, may I know like what would be the best time to reach you tomorrow? Like it's morning, evening, noon. What time will be
Um,
best?
morning should be fine. Anytime after 9 a.m. should be fine.
Shall I make it in between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.?
Yes, that's
So
fine.
that will be fine. You are in Pacific Standard Time, right?
Pacific time, yes.
You can just check, double check the informations which are highlighted, sir, just for the confirmation.
All right, yes, that looks fine.
That looks fine.
Yes, that's fine.
And okay, just a moment. And the name, address, email, and phone number because you will get the all documents at your email. So check, double check these informations as well.
Yeah, that looks fine.
That's all fine.
Yes, that's correct.
Give me only 2 to 3 more minutes, sir. Okay, I'm going to just check out, and at the same time, also I'm going to prepare the documents for you. Okay,
All right.
so
All right.
give me only 2 to 4 minutes, sir,
All right.
and
Thank
then
you.
I will assign a senior technician
All right.
at the same time, so that he will also provide you some securities. He will give you the suggestions for your future beneficiaries. Okay,
All right.
so
Thank you.
be online, sir, and don't mind my silence, please, till the time.
All right. Thank you.
At the same time, I also started the cleanup of the computer. You can see that.
Okay.
Okay, just a moment. Okay, are there, sir?
Yes. Hello.
Okay, now I'm going to connect you with our senior expert who's going to give you the suggestions for your future beneficiaries, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Just be online.
Yep. Sure.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Okay, are there, sir?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. As you're paying for the cleanup, now we have started the work.
All right.
And I assigned the senior technician for you, sir, who is going to now work on your machine,
Okay.
okay? And he will check for the further things to prevent all the problems in futures as well as, okay?
Okay.
Now, sir, you can go ahead and talk to our customer.
All right. Are you there,
Yes.
Terry?
Yes. Hello.
Okay, so your call has been transferred on my desk, one of the senior technician, and my name is Robbins. Okay, I'm a web security advisor. Okay,
Okay.
who's working on your computer right now. So you
Okay.
are paying $399.99 to do the complete cleanup of your computer and your entire network. But I believe that my technician told you that it's not providing you any security and any protection, which
Okay.
can prevent these kind of issues. So
Okay.
once you go ahead and do the cleanup of your computer and start working over here, there are some certain things, okay, which happen again, like these people try to attack on you again.
Okay.
Because as I'm looking here on your network, there is no protection and no security which can protect you from these kind of infections.
Okay.
And I believe you got it.
Okay.
So what I will go ahead and do that, sir. First of all, let me check each and everything that what kind of better security would be good for you, that I can go ahead and recommend you some better thing, okay?
Okay.
If at this computer, how many devices you have over there?
I have a total of 3 devices. So minus this
Okay,
computer, so there are 2 other devices.
and all are connected to the same network?
Yes, they are.
Okay, and you're the primary user of this computer or somebody else uses this too?
I'm the only person that uses this computer.
So this cleanup will go ahead and remove all the junk files and error infections which you're having right now.
Okay.
Okay, like remove all the errors and warnings, whatever they send to you. Okay, and remove all these foreign people who are established to having unauthorized access of your internet. Okay.
Okay.
So when we go ahead and talk about the internet security, sir, protection, as the computer says that you are infected by this software, like, do you have any idea about it? CRS, what
Um,
what it
the
stands
other
for?
the other technician told me a little bit about it. Like um,
Hmm.
he showed me that web page that was like is currently up.
Okay. Yes, as I'm looking here, there is a software. You can have a look here. Do you see that? 484 running here.
Okay.
Let me talking about these three files, which is running on your device. You see that?
Okay.
It's CSRSS. Do you have any idea about these files and how it get into there? Do you have any
No, I
idea?
don't.
Whenever you visit any kind of site, sir, there are a lot of pop-ups, a lot of ads comes on your screen. If you read about the CSRSS, I want you to go ahead and read. Just have a look here and get a brief about it, which I highlighted for you. I want you to read it, that you easily understand what it stands
Okay.
for and what it.
Okay, yeah, I just read that. So,
So they use these kind of softwares to get you infected, to make you infected. Okay, and
okay.
by clicking that kind of pop-up, okay, they're having unauthorized access of your device. If you talk about how, do you see this diagram here about your home network?
Okay.
Oh, sorry. This one I'm talking about. Do you see that at the right top here?
Okay.
The home network means, sir, whatever device you're using over there. It doesn't matter, iPad, iPhone. Just suppose these three computers. Do you see the three computers here?
Okay.
Just suppose this one is your iPad, this one is your iPhone, and this one is your other device. Okay, whatever you're using over there, like your iPad, iPhone, your other computers,
Okay.
all devices, I believe, connected to the same router, same Wi-Fi, I guess.
Okay.
Whenever you visit any kind of internet site, when you're not protected, you see the internet here?
Yes, I see that.
At the back of the internet, there at the blank, there are many kind of bad people. okay,
Okay.
who use internet to and send a lot of infections on the internet for those people who use computers
Okay.
and who don't have any protection on a network. Okay, who give you a lot of pop-ups, lot of infections, and through where you get the like information, the search which you're doing on your computer, they send you a lot of infections. Okay, the
Okay.
infections as a computer says there are a lot of bad people connected, 33 bad people. Do you see the red lines which is coming through the internet and going across to your computer? That are
Okay.
the bad links, sir.
Okay.
There are bad links who give you a lot of pop-ups, a lot of ads on your IP address. This is IP address, which through your all information goes to the internet, and which through you got the result about that search which you are doing on your computer.
Okay.
And which through they see people send you infections to click on it, okay? Many kind of pop-up or emails, spam emails, where you clicked on once, and they having unauthorized access to get in there. And through how? They direct it into your IP address, through your router first, and then they attack on your all devices. So
Right.
even you purchase a new computer and connect it to the internet, that doesn't make sense because that will be easily infected too. If you think my old computer got infected here, so I have to purchase a new computer. If you go ahead and purchase a new computer and connect it to the same network, that will be easily infected by these people because
Right.
they attacked on your IP address. Why?
Okay.
Because on your network there is no firewall, no protection.
Okay.
Even you go ahead and let me go ahead and ask to your computer, what's my IP address? When you go ahead and check about it, I believe your other device has been off now.
Hmm.
Are you there?
Oh yes, I am.
I believe that your other devices has been off for now. Or is it still running?
Can you? They're off. Yes, they are off.
That's good. So when you talk about your IP address, sir, you can have a look here. It's totally visible. What does it mean? Anybody can track you on the internet.
Okay.
Okay, and it says that your private information is exposed.
Okay.
Even your Verizon says that you are not protected.
Okay. So you're saying that like, if I purchase a security, that it will like hide this IP?
It will not hide your IP only, sir. It will go ahead and make all the encryption about your network. I will let you know how.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Your computer works slow. How old this one is?
It was about 3 years old. It's not that old.
Gotcha. It doesn't matter. Your drivers has been stopped. That's right. That's why it's not working.
Okay.
You can have a look here. When I check your IP address, it says that your BitLocker version is none. That's good. Doesn't matter that. But when you talk about the percentage of encryption about your information, which you do on the internet, that is also 0%. And when you come about the protection status, it directly says that you are off now from the
Okay.
protection. Your lock status is unlocked. There is no key protector on your computer, and that's the reason these people easily got your access. And
Okay.
I also believe that you're not a computer savvy, sir.
Yeah, I'm not really.
That's why, as I'm looking over here, there seems to be a lot of infections from a long time. They try to get in there. You can have a look here.
Oh yeah, I
See
see
that?
that.
They send you a lot of infections over here.
Yeah.
And that's what you're paying for, to clean up everything that your computer start running again. But once
Okay.
we talk about the security, how it works, let me go ahead and give you a brief about it that you easily understand. The network protection is something, sir, which not comes with your computer. It's directly protect your entire IP address.
All right.
What does it mean? The web security seal, which it's called. Okay. First of all, what it does, sir, it will go ahead and block all kind of cyber attacks which comes through the network. Okay.
Okay.
Any kind of intruders that will be easily blocked by the firewall on your network. So they won't able to get in to your computer anymore. After
Okay.
that, it will block all the infections, internet threat when you start using computers and you got a lot of pop-ups, a lot of things. So with through that pop-up, the infections which they get into your computer, it will block easily by these firewall, like spyware, malware. Do you use this computer for pornography?
For Can you say that again? I
Yeah,
couldn't hear you.
pornography. Sir, like, did you use this computer for pornography?
No, I do not.
But as I look here, like history, computer history here, there are a lot of porn website which has been used.
Really, because I never
So
do.
I can understand the people having access right now. You can go ahead and check your other device as well. The same infections you will get there as well.
Okay.
So that this is something which block all that kind of stuff which comes through the internet threat. Okay,
Okay.
whenever you burst it, like it should be uh, unsecured website, pop-ups, ads, fake links, updates, like spam emails. All device will be secure by these kind of steps.
All
You
right.
won't able to get these kind of steps on your internet whenever you visit over there. Any
Okay.
kind of site. Even you try to visit any kind of bad site like any pornography or any gaming site, your computer give you that alert that sir, this is not good. Don't visit on that kind of site as well.
Okay.
The security is something which will secure your like personal information, financial information, and official information as well.
Okay.
It would be totally encrypted. It will encrypt on data.
Okay.
Data will be totally encrypted. What the encryption mean? Like just suppose you're using your user ID and password over there, okay? Or you
Okay.
just suppose that your name is Terry and this is your password, 30331. This
Okay.
is your password for something, like just suppose you're using your online banking over here and this is your password. After putting the encryption, it looks like that. Even
Okay.
you won't able to see that.
Okay.
It will make it encrypted, invisible.
Okay.
Okay, so no one able to take it out from there. How the things protected, like your banking security. Okay, it will protect you for banking security, email security, social networking, Facebook, Gmail, that kind of stuff. That will
Okay.
be easily protected.
All
These
right.
are the things with your all accounts, and it doesn't matter if you're using computer, laptop, iPhone, iPads, Kindle, smart TV, router, printer, whatever you're gonna use on the internet, sir. That all device will be covered by this firewall which comes from the network.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when you talk about the identity on the internet, what's called your IP address, that would be invisible. Like nobody able to track you on the internet. Like
Okay.
these people who get in there, they also use firewall that
Okay.
nobody can track them. From where they're attacking people, nobody able to track them.
Okay.
Okay, so they are also using the security to hide themselves. Okay, so
Okay.
you need to go ahead and make your secure IP secure that nobody able to track you and try to get in there. That will
Okay.
make your IP secure totally.
All right.
Okay, it will be invisible from the internet.
Okay.
And when we talk about the security, sir, there are like many kind of security, like 3 level of security if you talk from our end. You can also go ahead and get it from the firewall, from the market as well. Just let me show you the, just visit to the Walmart first. I will let you know what the information they tagged on and they try to take out from your computer. For what purposes you use this computer, sir?
I just use email, like for email some work sometimes, and then like just like some personal use. That's all.
Like, did you visit any kind of online banking, shopping, any bill payments on this computer?
Uh, Occasionally I do. Yes.
Oh, and I believe you haven't got any kind of fraudulent alert from your bank or somewhere that these kind of stuff's going on here. Like any
No,
kind of
I haven't.
suspicious transaction alert or something?
No, I haven't.
Not yet. That's good.
Okay.
Because that's what these people do, sir. If you read about Spy Eye, you heard about these things on your news as well, I believe. That's what these people do, normally.
Okay. So what is this that's being installed?
And this is something, sir, which will go ahead and let us know what the information they tagged on or got it from you.
Alright.
Because that is important. Like, there are a lot of connections, as I saw. So if they're having any kind of your personal information, they can easily misuse it.
Alright. Alright, honestly, this is going on for quite a long time. I'm just gonna cut it pretty soon.
If you go ahead and talk about the Walmart, sir, let me search over here.
I'm gonna cut it as
Once you
soon as
talk
he
about
pulls
the
up the
network,
network firewall and shows us a couple
security.
$1,000.
When you talk about the network firewall, sir, you can have a look here.
Yeah,
For
oh,
2
that's a
years, it
lot.
depends on the license. Yeah, I'm just comparing the prices.
Yeah, that
sir.
is a lot.
Okay. You can have a look here, the 3-year of license or something. If you go ahead and do that, how it's going to
Yeah,
cost
that's a
you. See
lot.
that?
So,
But this is something, sir, which will go ahead and encrypt your all information.
I mean, like,
That's why it's costly. Just suppose, like you do your online banking, shopping, bill payments, everything on your computer. You're having your financial or personal data on your computer, or somebody looking on it. Just suppose you're having millions in your account. Would you like to spend a few dollars to protect your
okay, well,
millions?
here's the
Yes,
thing.
people do that.
Here's the thing. You're trying to sell me $1,000 firewall when I don't need it. Your mother chode scammer. Teri maa ki
Sir.
chut benchod tu scammer hai benchod. Teri ben ki chut mara chod. Yeah, mara chod. Yeah, you're scamming mara chod. Hello? Hello, Benchod? Do you want to say anything? Hello? Hello, Benchod? Alright, they just hung up. Question is, are they going to continue? Well, I doubt they're actually going to see it because IT department left this. Actually, no, they have this lowercase IT department, so not sure. Alright, looks like they're not gonna respond. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to call that done. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.